The lyrics reflect the beauty of the evening and the emotion of love, set to a soothing, melodious tune. This song is one of the iconic songs celebrated for its mellow rhythm, melodious tune, and timeless appeal. It remains popular in Indian music for its simplicity and beauty. Familiarize yourself with the F major scale before diving into the melody. The F major scale will let you get comfortable with the notes that make up the tune. You'll gain confidence in quickly identifying and playing the musical notes with comfort and ease. Pa sa ri sa dha pa 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 sa sa ri ga 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 pa dha pa ma ga ga ri pa ga ri sa ri sa dha pa sa ri ga 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 pa dha pa ma ga ga ri pa ga ri sa. Dha ma pa da pa sa sa dha ma pa da pa ni da pa pa ma da pa ma ri ri ma pa ma ga ri sa dha pa pa sa re ga 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 pa dha pa ma ga ga ri pa ga ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.